Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth, and this is James.
Hello, so glad to be back with you all.
Today, we are taking you somewhere very important, somewhere we all have to go sometimes.
Where are we going, Elizabeth? Are we going on a trip?
Not exactly a trip, James. Our topic today is let's go to the bank.
The bank. Ah, yes, a crucial place. We need to talk about money and transactions.
Exactly. This is where a lot of daily English conversation happens, from simple greetings to complex financial questions.
Practical. We will cover everything from opening an account to making a deposit, asking about loans, and dealing with the ATM.
So don't worry if you find bank vocabulary a little intimidating. We will break it down slowly.
Let's start with the very basics. Walking into the bank.
You walk up to the teller or the receptionist.
And the first thing you hear is probably, "Good morning, how may I help you?"
You can respond with a simple, "I would like to make a deposit, please."
Or, "I need to speak with a loan officer."
James, what if someone is new and needs to open an account? What should they say?
They should say, "I'd like to open a new account." They might ask, "What kind of accounts do you offer?"
The bank officer will usually ask, do you want a checking account or a savings account?
A checking account is for daily use, paying bills. A savings account is for keeping money long-term, perhaps earning interest.
Let's practice this dialogue. I'm the bank employee.
I'm the customer.
Welcome to Citibank. How may I assist you today?
Hello, I'd like to open a new account.
Certainly. Are you interested in a checking account or a savings account?
What is the difference between the two?
A checking account allows unlimited withdrawals and is best for your day-to-day transactions. A savings account usually has a higher interest rate but may limit your monthly withdrawals.
I see. I'll take a checking account, please. And what is the minimum balance required?
The minimum balance is $200 to avoid a monthly fee.
That sounds fine. Thank you.
Teaching. Notice the key words there: deposit, withdrawal, balance, fee, and interest. Very important bank vocabulary.
Now, let's talk about a very common transaction, depositing money.
You walk up to the teller. You say, I'd like to deposit $1,000 into my account.
The teller might ask, cash or check?
You say, cash please, or I have a check here.
If it's a check, the teller may say, please endorse the back of the check.
To endorse means to sign the back of the check so the bank can process it.
Another common request, you might also need to withdraw money.
Question, I need to make a withdrawal. Can I take out $300 please?
Security. The teller will almost always ask for your photo ID and your account number.
Reminder, always keep your account number or your debit card ready. Focusing on a tool. James, let's move on to the ATM, the automated teller machine.
Ah, the ATM, the machine we all use constantly.
Simple instructions. You insert your card.
Then you enter your PIN, your personal identification number.
Options. The screen usually offers choices like withdrawal, deposit, check balance.
Phrasing a request. If you want to withdraw, you choose withdrawal and then select or type the amount.
And the machine asks, do you want a receipt?
You can say yes please or no thank you.
Drill. Let's do a quick drill using the ATM language.
What do you call the number you use to access your account at the ATM?
That is the PIN, P-I-N.
What do you ask for if you want a paper record of your transaction?
A receipt.
If you only want to know how much money you have, you choose what option?
Check balance. Excellent. These are practical, everyday phrases.
Now, let's talk about something bigger, loans. If you want to buy a car or a house, you need a loan.
Inquiry. You would ask to speak to a loan officer.
Asking about a loan. You could say, I'd like to inquire about a mortgage. A mortgage is a loan specifically for a house.
Or, what are your current rates for an auto loan? An auto loan is for a car.
Terms. The officer will discuss the principal, the original amount you borrow, and the interest rate, the cost of borrowing the money.
And they will talk about the monthly payment and the term of the loan, which is how many years you have to pay it back.
Let's practice a more involved conversation.
Good afternoon. I'm the loan officer. How can I help?
Hello, I am looking to buy a new house and need a mortgage.
Do you have a specific price range in mind? And how much are you planning for a down payment?
The house is around $300,000, and I can put down 20% as a down payment.
Our current interest rate for a 30-year fixed mortgage is 5%. Would you like to fill out an application?
Yes, I would. What documents do I need to bring?
We will need proof of income, your last 2 years of tax returns, and your identification.
Thank you very much for the information.
Emphasizing key terms: mortgage, down payment, interest rate, fixed, application. All important words for bigger bank transactions.
What if a customer has a problem? They need to resolve an issue.
Problem solving. You would probably need to speak to the branch manager or a customer service representative.
A very common problem is an unauthorized transaction. Money was taken out without permission.
Phrasing the complaint, you would say, I noticed an unauthorized charge on my statement. I did not make this purchase.
Or, my debit card was lost, and I need to cancel it immediately and order a new one.
Bank action. The representative will say, I understand. I can freeze your card immediately, and we will open a dispute for the unauthorized charge.
Dispute is a formal process to challenge a transaction.
Moving to forms. Speaking of procedures, let's look at the simple things, like filling out a deposit slip.
Visualizing. A deposit slip is a small form you fill out to tell the bank how much money you are putting into your account.
Information needed. You write your name, your account number, the date, and the amount of cash and checks separately.
Completing the task, you might say to the teller, I just need a deposit slip and a pen, please.
Focus on checks. Let's talk more about a check.
Parts of a check. A check has many important parts: the payee, the person receiving the money, the amount, in numbers and words, the date, and the signature.
Writing a check. When you write a check, you must be very careful that the amount in words matches the amount in numbers.
Security. And never forget your signature. The check is not valid without it.
Practical exercise. Imagine you need to pay your rent of $1,500.
On the check, you would write 1,500 and 00/$100.
Shifting focus, let's shift our attention to international banking. If you are traveling or sending money abroad.
You may need to make a wire transfer or an international money transfer.
For this, you will need the recipient's full name, their bank's SWIFT code or IBAN, and their account number.
You would ask the bank, what is the fee for a wire transfer to London?
Be aware that international fees can sometimes be quite high.
Let's do a short role play about a lost card. This is essential English.
Oh no, I can't find my bank card.
Please stay calm. I will need your full name and the last 4 digits of your account number to confirm your identity.
My name is James Carter, and the last 4 digits are 5532.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. I have canceled your old card right now. It cannot be used anymore.
Thank you. How long will it take to receive a replacement card?
It should arrive at your mailing address within 5 to 7 business days.
That's a relief. Thank you for your help.
Key phrases: cancel your card, replacement card, confirm your identity.
Sometimes you might need a bank statement. This is a document that shows all your transactions.
You can ask the teller, could I please get a printed copy of my monthly statement?
Or, if you need one for a specific purpose, like a visa application, I need a certified bank statement.
A certified statement means the bank officially verifies that the document is correct.
Practice on statements. I'm the customer. I need a bank statement for my last 6 months.
Certainly. Would you like a paper copy, or would you prefer an electronic statement sent to your email?
A paper copy, please. And does it have a fee?
There is a $5 fee for printed statements older than 90 days.
Okay, please proceed with the statement. Focusing on online banking. Many people now do their banking online, which we call online banking or internet banking.
Through online banking, you can transfer funds, pay bills, and view transactions from your home.
Phrasing an online question. If you have trouble, you might call the bank and say, I can't log in to my online account.
The support person might ask, have you forgotten your password or your username?
And they will always ask you a few security questions to verify it is really you. Drill on online terms. What is the term for moving money from your checking account to your savings account?
Transfer funds.
Drill question. What do you need to enter to access your account online?
Your username and password.
Drill question. What is the record of all your money movement?
Your transactions or statement.
Slow and encouraging. We are doing so well. Let's explore one more complicated scenario about overdrafts.
Overdraft happens when you spend more money than you have in your account. The bank temporarily covers the money, but they charge a fee.
A customer might call and say, I was charged an overdraft fee, but I thought I had money in my account.
The bank representative might say, it appears a check you deposited did not clear yet, causing you to overdraw your account.
Defining clear. When a check clears, it means the money has successfully been moved from the payer's bank to your bank.
Mitigation. You could ask, can I get the overdraft fee waived this one time?
Waived means removed.
The bank might reply, since this is your first time, we can waive the fee as a courtesy.
Focusing on currency. If you travel, you might need to exchange currency.
You would say, I'd like to exchange US dollars for euros.
And the most important question, what is the current exchange rate?
Banks often have different exchange rates than airports, so it's always good to check.
Practice dialogue. I'm the customer. I want to exchange 500 pounds for Japanese yen.
The current exchange rate is 150 yen per pound. That will give you 75,000 yen.
That sounds reasonable. Please proceed with the currency exchange.
Exchange rate, currency, exchange. Very useful for travelers.
Another thing banks offer is a safety deposit box.
A safety deposit box is a secure place inside the bank to keep valuable items, like jewelry or important documents.
You could ask, do you have any safety deposit boxes available for rent?
And they will likely quote you the annual rental fee.
Let's talk about opening a business account. This is a step up in formality.
I'm opening a small coffee shop and need a business bank account.
We will need your business registration documents, your tax ID number, and all owner's identification.
Do your business accounts come with a business credit card option?
Yes, we offer several tiers of business credit cards, depending on your company's size and needs.
And what about merchant services, like the ability to process credit card payments from customers?
We offer full merchant services with competitive transaction fees. Emphasis on business terms. Business account, tax ID, credit card, merchant services, transaction fees.
Focusing on details. When dealing with any bank transaction, the staff often uses specific polite language.
Polite phrase 1. They often say, is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Polite phrase 2. Or, could you please sign here on the dotted line?
And polite phrase 3. And I will need to verify your signature.
Importance of clear speech. Remember to speak clearly and slowly when giving your account number or personal information.
Scenario recap. Let's quickly review the steps for a deposit.
Step 1. Get a deposit slip.
Step 2. Fill out your account number and the amount.
Step 3. Hand the slip, cash or check to the teller.
Step 4. Wait for your receipt.
Concluding thought. We have covered so much, from the smallest deposit to the largest mortgage.
The bank can feel complicated, but with these phrases, you can handle any transaction confidently.
Thank you for joining us for this extensive lesson on banking English. Keep practicing these dialogues.
We hope this helps you feel ready for your next trip to the bank.
See you next time for more Daily English.
Goodbye, everyone.